welcome. Hope you guys will join the family by clicking the subscribe button. If you've been here before, thank you so much for joining me once again. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Idorenyin and also on my Facebook page at Idorenyin. For this video, we're going to be doing a moisturizing. I finally found aloe vera gel. I know that was the craze for naturalistas a while back. I don't know if you've moved on to strawberries or whatever it is that we're using now, but now that I found it, I want to see how it works on my hair. So I'm going to be doing an LCO method on my 4C hair. Yeah. So if you guys think that would be a video that you would be interested in, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, share, guys. Tell a friend, tell a family, tell your enemies, tell whoever you need to tell to come and watch my videos. Thank you so much for all the support thus far. For those of you that keep coming back, really appreciate it. Let's go. So all I'm using to moisturize my hair, if you've been following me, you know by now that I like to use the LCO method. So L refers to liquid. What I'll be using today is, like I've said, the aloe vera gel. I'm going to show you quickly how I made it.
So I'm using one leaf of the aloe vera. I have my knife, so what I'm going to do is scrape off the aloe vera gel. To preserve the aloe vera leaf, I had stored it in the freezer until I was ready to use. So I left it overnight in the fridge to defrost. So because of this, the green leafy part was a little bit fragile, but not too difficult to job. So basically scraping all the gel out from the different sections of that aloe vera leaf, which you can see there. Using my fork, I then mashed it into a liquidy consistency, trying to get rid of any solid bits. I now then mixed the liquid aloe vera gel with my conditioner. Because it was running low, I had to do the African thing and cut the bottle in half. But yeah, I poured the liquid aloe vera gel and mixed it with the already runny conditioner because I usually dilute it with rose water. Now it's ready for use.
That will be my L. The cream, I'm going to be using the Black Like Me Curl Hydrate Pudding. This has been hard for me to find, so it's been a while since I've used it, but let me see how this combination is going to work out. So this is going to be my cream. Then my oil, or to seal it in, is going to be shea butter. This is just ordinary, plain shea butter, so it's not mixed with anything. But as always, I will mix it with my oil mix, which is Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, and mix that with the shea butter and coat the different sections of hair. Also, I've discovered a way to wear my hair shrunken without any knots at all. Would you guys like to see that video? Let me know in the comment section down below. See how I was able to separate the hair into sections without knots? Let me know down below if you want to know how I did this sorcery. And take this much. So my immediate reaction, this section feels soft, it does feel moisturized, but obviously I will have to wait for the hair to dry. I'll see tomorrow when I have to style it what I think of the final idea. I'm just gonna knot the ends, or should I? Yeah, why not? Okay, good stuff. So this is my t-shirt that I use when I'm going from section to section to remove product from my hair. Tell me, do you guys, it's so sad that it's a SpongeBob shirt because it used to be my favorite, but it's old now. Do you guys have something like this, or am I being crazy? Let me know in the comment section.
You might find chunks in the aloe vera gel still that you see in your hair. You can see in this section, but it's not a problem. Just pick it out and keep on going. So that's all the sections done. A final check of my hair to see how it feels, and my immediate feeling was that all the sections were soft and they felt moisturized. So here's hoping that the moisture will hold. My hair was so soft, guys. I really enjoyed playing with it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thanks, bye.